Good Saturday morning, everyone. Cambrell Marshall, KPRC Channel 2 meteorologist. Saturday is going to be better of the 2 days today. Starting out on the warm side as well already this morning. 62 degrees at Bush Intercontinental, 66 at Hobby, 72 in Galveston. Throughout the day, though, we're going to be seeing breezy conditions, humid as well as we get that southeast wind coming up to about 15-20 miles an hour at some points this afternoon. Tonight, clouds will start to build. We'll start to see some more showers coming in. And then tomorrow, we have showers early and storms in the afternoon. That's how we're looking at it right now. If you're planning on taking a boat out today, not the best of days to do so. Small craft advisories in place. Winds out of the southeast 15 to 20 knots. You see those seas 4 to 6 feet. Choppy bays as well. Swells 2 to 5 feet. So not the best days for that. The beach not such a good day either really, but 77 degrees for the high there with those winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. The surf waist to the stomach. We're going to have ZACTRAC radar showing not much going on throughout the day today. That's not going to be the trend today. Tomorrow, we're going to start to see some changes, and late tonight as well, the winds from the southeast are going to be consistent from the southeast. That's part of what is leading into this weather story today. There's lower levels of the atmosphere continue to bring in that southeasterly flow. That's going to prime the pump, if you will, of what's going on here. Part of a warm front that's going to be sliding up. We have an area of low pressure up in the Four Corners area, up in the Panhandle. That's going to be moving in this direction. That's all going to create the lift that's going to bring our stormy conditions in for Sunday. The broader picture here, you notice is all we got snow in the northeast, and for us, we've got this warm front. This is all going to be what's happening for us. Look at the water vapor loop. You can see that big turn there, the upper level low there that's really creating a lot of the lift in the upper levels of the atmosphere, drawing in the flow from the southwest down into this part of the state. And then from the surface, we have it from the southeast. And that's going to create a little shear action as well, which will give us a chance for some tornadic activity that will be in the next couple of days as well. You notice a drier air there. It's going to be pushing on out of here, being pushed behind it. A lot of moisture in the upper levels. Is going to be a big change coming forward. Here's a futurecast model. Put this area of low pressure. You notice what's going on here going into the overnight into tomorrow morning very early. We have showers developing for us. Stronger storms in the central part of the state here. This is Sunday morning up to 11:30, close to noon. Stronger storms in the central middle part of the state here. We still have rain here. Because you don't see reds and yellows doesn't mean we're not going to have some of that going on. So just to know that because the computer models are giving us a chance for rain. Strongest storms to the northeast of us. The computer models, all of them want to say that, but that does not mean that we're in the clear. We're going to have rain. We're going to have some of it on the strong side. The chance for severe is certainly there. That means some isolated tornadoes are possible as well going through Sunday night. But look what happens after Sunday evening. We go into early Monday morning. Storms continue to be along the coast here. Some of them on the strong side as well before they move out. Take a closer look here. This is a Sunday morning forecast showing showers all around. And just because I said you don't see yellows and red doesn't mean they're not going to happen that way. Through the afternoon and evening into Sunday afternoon and evening, showers around pretty much the whole time. The strongest, though, coming in on Monday morning, very early in the Monday morning, according to that model. Now, in the next couple of days, we're going to have a chance for rain 2 to 3 inches. We're going to have minor chances for flooding and damaging winds. There is a chance for isolated tornadoes as well and some small hail in that mix as well. The futurecast as far as the rainfall totals, 1.5 inches for us primarily, and then heavier rains off to the east and the northeast of us. Today, high temperatures close to 82 degrees in Bush Intercontinental, 84 in some other areas, 77 along the coast. Here's your hour-by-hour planner. Rain chances don't come in until very late with those temperatures in the low 80s. You look at this 10-day forecast then, and you notice what we have in play here for us. So we have Dynamo playing tonight. That's a good thing. Severe, though, is possible tomorrow. Home opener on Monday. That's going to be after all that stuff happens in the overnight hours in the morning. The afternoon for the games are going to be just fine. Not much rain chance for the next 10 days.